Good afternoon, friends. I, on behalf of Export Promotion Council for Handicrafts, welcome you all to today's training session on onboarding onto EPCH IHGF Delhi Fair virtual platform. As we all know, a virtual trade fair is a virtual event run in an online environment that is hosted online for a limited period of time. It can be considered the online equivalent of a traditional trade show or exhibition, but exhibitors and visitors connect with one another on the web rather than in person. Today we have been joined by Mr. Ravi K. Pasi, our chairman EPCH.
नमस्कार जी.
Rakesh Kumar, Director General EPCH. Members of the Committee of Administration, Shri Dalip Baid, Shri Lekhraj Maheshwari, and Shri Hansraj Baheti ji. We also have with us Mr. R. Verma, Executive Director EPCH. We have been joined by the exhibitors of the just concluded IFJAS 2020. Ms. Nupur Batra is there, and Mr. JP Singh and Mr. Anshul Gola. The three participants of IFJAS 2020 are also there with us to share their experience. We also have been joined just now by Mr. Lali Sahani. He was also one of the exhibitors of IFJAS 2020. We have our technical team headed by Mr. Devendra, and we have with us Mr. Tushar Gupta. I think I've covered all. We welcome you all to this webinar. We have been joined by around 200 participants, and the figure is constantly increasing. To begin with, I would request Mr. Rakesh Kumar, Director General EPCH, to give his opening remarks before we go on to the presentation. Mr. Kumar.
Anji, namaskar everybody. Welcome to this new era of marketing. Basically, this time, due to the reason known to all of us, we have to change our strategy as per the need of the hour. And the need of the hour is that we have to go equally strong in the marketing as we used to earlier, and that is now possible through these digital platforms. That's why today we are going to discuss about the virtual trade show. So IHGF Delhi Fair 2020 Spring, which was supposed to be held physically in the month of April, is now postponed as IHGF Spring 2020 show. Same show, the same platform, almost the same set of exhibitors, and the same set of the buyer plus the buyers. Those who are not able to physically visit the show will now be visiting the show in the virtual platform. So I think I would not take much of your time because there is a lot to know about the platform. People are very anxious. That's why by now we have about 250 prospective exhibitors who are very much interested to know what is the platform, what for it is, how they'll be able to maintain their privacy, whether they'll be able to really make use of it, what about the time frame, how many days it will be open, how it will work in the night, whether we are supposed to be open in the platform, what will happen to the US exhibitor, US visitor, how the Australian visitor will also catch us. So all the continents, how this platform can be used by the visitors. So all these are the lot of questions that are coming in our mind, and the similar set of the questions, and also a lot of unknown fear. Please सब लोग म्यूट कर दीजिए, रिक्वेस्ट है लेखा जी, आप सब लोग म्यूट कर दीजिए. So same set of questions and also a lot of unknown fear was in the mind of our earlier exhibitor in the IFJAS platform. That was the Indian Fashion Jewelry Accessory Show. That is the reason today we have invited 4 of IFJAS participants. They will also share their experience with you. They will also let you know what are the common errors that they will not do now while they are going to participate in the IHGF main show. They will also let you know what they prepared for the IFJAs at that time, but they could not prepare as they should have prepared now for the coming fair. So they would also tell you, so that you are going to get a lot of information from the horse's mouth. That's important today. Today is more as a discussion. It's more as an interactive session. It's not as a basically just a teaching session. We will later on give the tutorial to each exhibitor through our help desk. There are going to be individual session for the people. There are sessions, there are roadshow for the buyers. There are roadshow for the visitors. So definitely lot is already being done. A lot is to get done. So I now request Mr. Rawat to please take it forward, because a lot of anxiousness is there among the participants. Thank you for joining today in a very large number, because the total attendance was supposed to be over 1,000 if you would have organized this for the entire India. So we have separated it. Today is only Rajasthan. So Rajasthan alone is around 250. From the Uttar Pradesh alone, we have got a confirmation of over 1,300. So likewise, let us see what is now total going to happen there. Rawatji, please.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for those opening remarks, sir. Sir, we've just been joined by Christine. You want me to go to the presentation first because Christine has to leave. Should we come to Christine, or we should your call, sir?
So Christine being the buyer, from the buyer perspective, Christine, welcome to the platform. Thank you for a lot of support from the Buying Agent Association. You have also later on post IFJAs, you interacted with us. You also told us about a lot of additions that can be done, which we are doing out for the right now for the textile platform. So request you to please share your views and also motivate our participants. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Rakesh. Thank you, Rajesh, and all of your team as well. As always, it's a great pleasure to be able to support such a great initiative. So I think the main thing that I would like to say is that IFJAS was a phenomenal first step into the virtual world of trade shows, and it really worked. I think you've seen the reports. There was a great article in Financial Express yesterday, and there have been lots of articles. Business, as you know, is down, but even in this slightly depressed scenario, I think that there was quite a lot of business generated at IFJAS, and it is the way to go. We are not going to have customers traveling for many, many months. We don't know how long, so it is the right time to get prepared. And the important thing is, I'd like to speak to the exporter body really with this, is it's really important to take a look at what material you're putting on your stand. It must feel, you must give the impression of being there. So do some nice videos. All of you are at home. You have very clever children who know how to record videos. They're making TikToks and they're doing all this kind of stuff. Please use that ability. Create some fun videos, some interactive, show how your product is made. This is the time to show how we make in India. It's a really good platform. And on top of that, have some good visuals. I know there's a certain amount of fear about putting your newest collection up there because anybody can come on the show. No, don't be afraid. You can put a poster. You can put like a shop window. You want to entice people to come in, but you can protect your designs. You can have meetings by appointment only. So you don't have to worry. You can have your new collection in on a protected platform, whether it's your website, whether it's anywhere else. So don't worry. I think really now is the time to focus and really make sure that the virtual fair is as good an experience as seeing the product, because you won't be able to walk in and touch product. So make sure that that experience is really worthwhile. And I think the textile fair is going to be wonderful. And the Buying Agents Association, we are all behind you. And we really, I've just had a webinar where we have publicized it with about 70 people on the webinar from the industry. And we will continue to publicize it, and we will make sure that all the buying agents who have serious clients will be bringing them. And then I think EPCH themselves has a magnificent network of being able to call people, being able to invite people, and I'm sure they will all be there. So I think we have nothing to lose and a lot to gain by embracing this new virtual world. Thank you.
Thank you, Christine. Just one more question. You have set up buyers and also your other members of the BA. Did they visit to the virtual at the IFJAS?
We visited, many of the BAA members visited. We had our booth there, and I think
your principals. We are talking about your principals and clients.
We had 2 people visit IFJAS simply because fashion jewelries and accessories, my biggest client for that, she was just finalizing. She already has her samples. So she was just closing her selection. So she did not come, but the merchandiser who looks after her, and we found some good products. So we will be working ahead. You know, often that buyer does not come for any trade shows anyway. Even if it was a physical show, she wouldn't come. So it's our job to go there and find the new product. So I think that exhibitors must think very carefully how they are promoting newness, how they are telling us when we come on the booth that you have newness. So yes, we had one of our customers from China, and then I think we had a Panama customer of ours visit the show. But otherwise, we were there to do the selection, and I know that there were a lot of our members also visited the show, and it was good. I think at any one time there was about 300-400 people. When you could see how many people there, I know when I visited it was about 300 people visiting on at that particular point in time.
Thank you. Thank you. Ravaji, please.
Thank you, Christine. Thank you very much. Now, when Christine leaves, we'll be having Mr. Michael Vinod representing BA with us. Now, moving on, may I request Mr. Tushar Gupta to share his screen and start his presentation.
Thank you, sir. So I'm sharing my screen. Okay. So see this official website of the IFJA just concluded from 1st to 4th of June, where all the buyers, buying agents and domestic volume buyer have been registered by clicking on the visitor registration. Upon registration, they have received a username and password to access the virtual platform. Along with this email, they also received a visitor guide how to access the platform with the few of FAQs, so that once they are navigating to the live platform, so they know how to navigate. So I'm just taking 1 minute to show you a step-by-step accessibility by the visitor point of view. Please have a look. It's only 1 minute. Having a visitor tutorial, a step-by-step. Then first they have to visit lobby, then exhibition hall, search for the exhibitor through their company name, through their main product profile, through their sub-products, and then get the right exhibitor for that they want to deal with that. Also, we are having the auditorium where the live sessions have been organized, the webinars, award ceremonies, inaugurations and all. we are having the other activity area like the trend pavilion, fashion shows, and the resource centers. So by accessing these platforms or these activity area, they can get to know in the trend pavilion what is the latest trend on the fashion. In fashion show, they can have the and watch the collection of respective suppliers who through the fashion show in this area, resource center. So buyer can access a lot of literatures and download the directories and the press coverage and all. One more important feature is the briefcase. So whatever the content the buyers like, they can add into their virtual briefcase and further they can explore. So all these informations we transmit through the email along with the username or password so that the buyer can have a clear view how to navigate to the platform. Once they have received the username or password, they have entered a username or password at this window and they will further land it into our virtual platform at this location. By landing this location, they can have the view of these navigation icon, the lobby, exhibition hall, auditorium, trend pavilion, fashion pavilion, and so on. By clicking on these icons, they can straightforward land it on that particular area where they want to go. They can see how many number of participants or how many number of visitors have been attended this fair. So they can have the just one click options and they can see how many number of visitors are on the platform. And they can further check the profile from which company they belongs to, from country, their city, their type of visitors. And they can straightforward start with one-to-one chat in 40 different native languages. So the language bar is not the problem with the platform. Along with this, they are having options to send an email using the same platform. So they don't want to go to their official or a traditional mailbox, draft email and send them. So you can straightforward do a live chatting. You can do emailing by using this platform. So this is on upon entrance of this particular lobby area. You can also see there is a navigation icon, digital signage. In the virtual world, we call a digital signage. By clicking on this, he can also navigate to that particular area and can have a view of the introduction about the virtual platform. So I'll just take a 1 minute more, just have a look of IFJAS virtual meeting. So these are the activities or the kind of the interaction or the interactive things we can do straightforward upon the login of the lobby. After that, he can enter into the auditorium, can download the schedule of the activities throughout the event time from 1st to June. You can see the inauguration is scheduled from 1st June at this date, ramp show, craft demonstrations, the webinars, the interactive sessions, and the display awards. They can download or add into their virtual bag also. So I would like to just show you how we inaugurate our virtual first event. Just have the few seconds view of this inauguration ceremony of the IFJAS, how we have been broadcast live and give view to all live audience. the back end, we are monitoring this advice that also. So whatever the questions we have received during any of the videos or the webinars, so we can interact with them. Moderator can manage this chat, so you can post the questions and any concern along with the video, live video.
To welcome all of you today to the opening of the 13th Indian Fashion Jewelry and Accessory Show. The show is being held virtually starting from today till 4th of June. Friends, we are very happy to inform you that today we have with us Shri Ravi K. Pasi, Chairman, Export Promotion Council for Handicraft. Along with him is Mr. Vineet Bhatia, President, IFJAS. Also, Nupur Batra, Vice President, IFJAS.
Can we cut short?
We have with us
Sure, sir.
Madam
Take it out ceremony.
President of the.
Okay,
Stop it here. Just.
sure, sir. So like we are having live to live webinars.
Just show platform activities and which are there.
Sure, sir.
And we have to come back to the exhibitor part, the how exhibitor will participate, that we have still to cover. So first of all, just show only quickly it's a guided tour that you are
I'll make
making.
it brief.
Yeah.
I'll make it brief.
So go to the next event.
So like we have just covered the auditorium and then the similarly trend pavilion. The buyers can have the view of real time trend of what is going into the market for the summer collection 2021 like this. So all this integration is very much possible. So you can also give us your online content so we can integrate in your booth as well. We have also doing the fashion show live twice in a day from 2nd of June to 4th of June. So we have broadcasted on daily basis at 12:30 and the 4 o'clock. Now straightforward come to the resource center. Resource center is the place where the buyer can download the reports, can download the publications, download the press and media coverages, and download the directory of the exhibitors. He can also interact with our backend support team if they are facing any problem with the navigation. Now I'm going to exhibition part. So in the
Now,
exhibit,
Sure, I would just like to now give a little break here. Please show here the IHE only 90-second video where a visitor can clearly know what are the steps, because that will go to all the visitors through the WhatsApp, through the emails of our exhibitor as an invitation, and also that is being sent as a kind of a mailer by us. So similar mailer will be developed for IHGF. So show the IHE one, just IHE one, which we
the
have shown.
IHE video, sir. IHE video.
Just show us. That's all.
Okay.
now
proceed,
we
sir.
have start for exhibitor part. Friends, so far so on, this is just what we have done for the IFJAS as a inviting buyer, how we have to tell them to visit the platform, what are the features in the platform. We have seen the features in the platform, but your main interest is about your booth, and that is the basically focus of every exhibitor. And we would also like that focus should be very concentrated, and concentrated effort should be made to do the best in the booth. I think now Tushar will take you to hall, and from hall he will pop up to the booth, and then the booth he will show what are the features, how you will utilize that, and what are the help desks, how handholding will be given to you, and what is to be provided by us and what is to be provided by you. Please, Tushar.
So in IFJAS, we are having the 4 halls. So buyer can find you by your name, like if I want.
IFJAS is the only example.
Yes,
Tushar,
sir, I'll take you on the textile one also.
now only an example.
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Main hall, so ठीक, आप चलिए दिखाइएगा.
Sure, sir.
Okay.
So in IFJAS, we are having the 4 halls. So buyer can search you by through your name by clicking on just the directory. The directory can be accessible through this one, and he can just straightforward search your name like this. Reflex is one of the exhibitor in hall number 4. He can directly land it into the booth, or he can search you through the search directory of the hall. Like this way, he can search you through your name, your company name, your main product category, or your sub products.
सर्च में वो सब चीजें हैं जो एक एग्जीबिशन, फिजिकल एग्जीबिशन में चाहिए. आप प्लीज पूरे इसको प्लेटफॉर्म को फिजिकल फेयर से रिलेट कीजिए. जो फिजिकल फेयर में था एग्जैक्टली वही वर्चुअल में है, सिवाय इसके कि आप प्रोडक्ट को टच नहीं कर सकते और फील नहीं कर सकते हैं. रेस्ट एवरीथिंग इज सेम. दैट मीन जब आप एग्जीबिशन में आते हैं तो एक फेयर डायरेक्टरी हम आपको देते हैं, एग्जीबिटर को विजिटर को देते हैं, या उसको हम प्री फेयर डायरेक्टरी ओवरसीज पहले ही भेज देते हैं. सो व्हेन वी सेंड इन द प्री फेयर डायरेक्टरी, वो उसमें से पहले अपने एग्जीबिटर को आइडेंटिफाई करता है, उनके बूथ नंबर आइडेंटिफाई करता है. दूसरा तरीका होता है हमारे एग्जीबिटर अपने बायर को इनवाइट करते हुए अपना बूथ नंबर डाल करके उनको लिख करके भेजते हैं. तीसरा तरीका यह होता है कि जब वो फेयर ग्राउंड में आता है, उसको डायरेक्टरी मिलती है या उसे हम ई कॉपी देते हैं या उसको पेन ड्राइव देते हैं, तो वहां पर वो 3 या 4 तरीके से सर्च करता है. एक प्रोडक्ट वाइज, दूसरा सिटी वाइज, तीसरा नेम वाइज, चौथा कैटेगरी वाइज. नॉर्मली ये 4 चीजों में सर्चिंग होती है, और ये चारों चीजें हमारे को हॉल के बाहर भी अवेलेबल हैं. और पांचवा ऐसा भी बायर होता है जो जस्ट वॉक करता है, वो ना डायरेक्टरी देखता है ना पहले देखता है, वो पहले दिन या 2 दिन सिर्फ वॉक करता है और वॉक करते हुए निकल जाता है. तो वो भी हॉल में स्थिति ऐसी है. हॉल में आपको अलग अलग लोगो और नेम मिलेंगे. जब वो वॉक करेगा तो उसको सब वो दिखेंगे. सो नाउ आई थिंक तुषार इज गोइंग लाइक दैट. प्लीज तुषार.
श्योर. सो सर ने जैसे पहले बताया कि जैसे अगर एक एग्जीबिटर होता है वो वॉक कर सकता है, तो ही कैन वॉक लाइक दिस वे, one by one. He can select any of the booth by seeing their info card first and then click over it. Here you can see this particular exhibitor has incorporated their WhatsApp chatting option and video chat option through the Skype. He can see the number of visitors on his booth by clicking on this dashboard, but dashboard is not visible for this, accessible to only booth representative. But anyways, he can see how many number of people on his booth by clicking on this location option, and he can check the profile, and upon the interest he can make the communication accordingly. So I'll show you one right example in the IAGF textile show. So first I'll take you on the virtual film of the IAGF textile. then I'll show you the
नहीं
example.
अब नहीं सीधा बूथ पे आइए आप.
Okay, sir.
हाँ, इसी में दिखाना तो बूथ में दिखा दीजिए, ओशन का कोई भी बूथ दिखा दीजिए बजाय इसके.
Okay, so like I want
Baba
to
would-
show you this Swift Corporation booth. So when an exhibitor visited his first time booth, this automatically video will play. Please have a look how they are welcoming a new visitor from here.
Hello everyone, I'm Simran, Managing Director Swift Corporation Limited.
And I'm Kira, Director Swift Corporation Limited. Welcome to our virtual booth. We have a wide selection of products, including cushions, throws, bed covers, and other home furnishing items. Due to the COVID-19 crisis, we have also added surgical and decorative masks to our range. We also run our own NGO wherein we train women with the skills to make these products and then give them employment.
You will choose to work with us so that we can uplift rural India.
Let's focus on Make in India. Thank you.
Thank you. So we request all exhibitors to just please add your introduction video at your booth, so that whenever the visitor is visit, first they will see your introduction video, so the warm welcome can be done through the visual.
Tushar,
visual
could I make one small point
Yeah,
here?
please, sure, ma'am.
Because
Please,
I'll
please.
need to leave. This is exactly what I was saying, Tushar. I just want to emphasize your point that the first impact, the booth, the people normally would be at the booth in the physical. They're not there. They are speaking. You can make 2-3 different videos. You can keep changing them so that it's not boring. And you know, the really big advantage of this virtual show, you can do all the filming in your own showroom. You know, you don't have to bring the product and set it up. So you have great advantage. And I would encourage all our exporter partners to look at some new technology just for when you have to show product by product. I have seen, I'll share it with EPCH and they can share it with you. There's it looks like a book, like you're opening the pages, you're turning the pages of a book. It's very simple, very nice. You can do one product by product. You can do close up. So how you show and how you display, there's a huge amount of possibility and opportunities here. It is a really quite an amazing you know, versatility that we have in the virtual show. So really would like everybody to embrace that and see how wonderful they can make their booths. So thank you, Rakesh, Mr. Pasi.
Thank you.
I need to take leave now.
Thank you.
I have another call, but I will see you again in the evening.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And your experience. Tushar, just I would like to add here. Friends, there are 3 screens here. If you see these 3 screens, screens are, one is about us. This is how they have introduced themselves. The moment they enter, no need to click straight away. Just it is pop up and this is just, they started introducing themselves.
Yes.
The second screen is about their product profile. One is closed. The second will start also. And the third is about the content. Even on the content screen also, on the top of it, you can put up some collage of your item so that it opens as a collage. One can see what you are doing. Not necessary you put everything here so that you have some privacy. You always think that some item you put in the physical show as a window dressing, but the other item you keep at a distance or maybe in your catalog that you share with the buyer once you are confirmed about him, about his credential. and then only you deal with him. So the last one is there. Some of our exhibitors, even in the IFJAs and particularly in textile, lot of new initiatives have been taken in that, additional efforts have been done, where this third screen is linked with the websites of individual. So it can also be linked with the website. And once it is linked with the website of that exhibitor, he has a full control what to show and what not to show. That means he will show only a one set of item, and then he may even ask for the user user password ID also. So user ID and password also, and then only he will give the access order. So this is the one area of seeing it. We would also simultaneously show you one more showroom. Ocean ka dikha dijiye aur koi dikha dijiye, where they have linked their showroom direct through Google app, and you can see their entire showroom, and then you can work accordingly. Then there's a possibility of having a WhatsApp chat, WhatsApp call, and the WhatsApp messages from the platform itself. Exhibitor and the buyer both can do together.
So this is what you have mentioned, that the Google Street View map of the ocean.
पहले से कंपनी दिखाइए पीछे जो कैसे आपने किया, फिर से वापस ले आइए, इसके बूथ पे ले आइए.
Yes, sir. So this is the booth.
This is the
where-
booth. Yeah, they are on Facebook, they are on LinkedIn, they are on social media. Even you can straight away take them, you can connect them with that also. Social media also, it's also possible. We can also call. WhatsApp call is also possible. So the icon is accordingly there. So अब आप लेके चलिए इनको contact us. अब content पे ले लीजिए आप.
Okay.
Content.
So
कोई content में या gallery में ले लीजिए नहीं, उसमें showroom में ले लीजिए.
okay, sir.
Last one, content, showroom.
So मैं दोबारा से click कर लेता हूँ. दोबारा से कर लेता हूँ. So they have integrated the Google Street View map. So like way, so they can show a buyer a real view of their picture. So you can also give us this Street View link with us. We will integrate into your virtual booth. Further, you can show this real picture to your buyer also. So,
Here you can add music also. If you need, you can put the music.
shall I move
चलिए
on to
वापस
the
ले
product
लीजिए.
profile? Okay, sir. So
तुषार
I'll
जी.
take you on the again the Swift Corporation. Sir.
Tushar, you take to one booth, maybe Ananya or Nupur, accessory, anywhere, where you can show that how this item can be selected by the buyer to a basket, and
Ji.
then how these are to be dealt. Like Christian said, they have selected some item, and now they are finalizing those items as a final order. So how items are being picked from the booth, selected, and then the exhibitor also know how many items have been selected, which item has been selected, and the buyer also is on the same page.
Okay, sir.
किसी एक से ले लीजिए, जैसे अनन्या से ले लीजिए, बेटर है. आप ज्वेलरी में, टेक्सटाइल में अभी आप?
मैं सर अभी ज्वेलरी में हूँ.
हेलो.
मैं ज्वेलरी में हूँ सर.
तुषार.
सर आवाज आ रही है आपको? सर आपको आवाज आ रही है? मैं ज्वेलरी में हूँ सर अभी.
अच्छा.
टेक्सटाइल में जाऊँ सर?
आप ज्वेलरी में दिखा दीजिए. ज्वेलरी में दिखाइए.
So like this is one of the booth is selected by the buyer. He first explored their product profile. The buyer can see their product catalogs in this format, and they like it. They want to add into their virtual bag. So it's very simple. You can see once they have opened, the check sign is automatically coming up. They have to just click on this black button, this virtual bag black button, click here, and it will be landed into their virtual briefcase. Then you can see I have added QLT catalog number 1, and they can further click here and download to the local system and make the decision further. So this is you want to show to.
Yeah. Which item is downloaded? Can you just show that?
Yes, sir. So I'm just selecting two item here. So I've
Okay.
selected catalog 1 and catalog 3.
We would also like to see the pictures of that. कौन सा है?
Okay,
दिखा
sir.
दो। एक बार को दिखा दो कैसे।
So catalog 1, I have selected this. So these are the pictures.
It can be individual also, it can be in story also, it can be in collection of 4, 5, 10 pieces also, it depends. जैसे आपने डाला है.
So it is a collection of 17 samples, sir, with their article code and the watermark of the company name to avoid the copy. I have also added one more catalog, so it is available in catalog number 3.
Yeah, and the moment any design is taken out from here, this itself, the design is the property of the exhibitor. And there's a record of it. As per the cyber law, we have a record of it that who has picked up a product from whom. So we have a complete protection for that particular process if the exhibitor would like to adopt that.
So as sir mentioned that we are having a backend reporting, who is visiting your booth, who is viewing your content, who is downloading your content, how many number of clicks they have done on particular content. This much of detailed reporting is accessible by you at the backend reporting. You can download these reports at any point of time on real-time basis and can see all the details, who is visited, what their credentials, what they have done in your booth, how much time they have spent on particular content, particular location. That kind of level of detailed report available at the backend. So that is very much possible. Also, as in a privacy policies, we have implemented the access control level to your product profile screen. So no other competitors can access your product profile. Only the buyers can access your complete booth and other cannot access your booth. So this kind of the privacy policies we have implemented as sir clearly mentioned. Also, I want to show you how you can demonstrate your product. So this is one of the sample I want to show you. So you can make the PPT in that manner with the title page and show your products in few sample format, not complete. You have to add it. Just add few of them that you want to show on public place. So once the communication is done, you can further exchange your main products or exclusivity through the email of the buyer. You can see he is mentioning their watermark. He's also mentioned the articles number. So likewise, you can also make your own product catalogs. In this, how buyer can contact you or how you can contact to buyer. So it is very easy. As I mentioned in the IFJAS platform also, buyer can see whether you are online or not by clicking on your name. So once they have done, you will receive a notification bell that somebody has entered into your booth, or you will have the access to the dashboard. You can see how many number of visitors at my booth. Like way, let's assume these are the visitors at my booth, and you can further communicate on real-time basis. Like just Manish, if you are online, so I just sending you a hi. You please reply me if you are available here. So like way you can communicate on real-time basis. So if I'm from the other German, so I just selected my German and I can send in my native language, and further you will receive in your native language. So this kind of the translation is backend is all automatically be done. Buyer can contact you through your WhatsApp, through your video chat messenger. So we already have been make the request to all exporters to please share your Skype meeting link, your Google meeting link, your WebEx, whatever the video messengers you are using. You please share these links. We will further integrate into your booth to make it more interactive, and live interaction tool can be integrated in your booth.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
I think, Tushar, all the features, most of the features are covered.
Sir, almost all we have covered.
Let rest be in the discussion later on.
Right, sir.
Before that, we would request some of the prospective exhibitors to review how they are going to take this platform. In that series, I would request Shri Dilip Baid, from Dilip Trading, because his participation in the physical show is very impressive, and his participation in the physical show is also in more than one places in the different segment. He's present in the mart area, he's present in the temporaries also at the various places. So that's why what else to be added, and as well as he should also give a message to exhibitor if he thinks that it's a befitting platform in the today's circumstances. Dilip ji, please. Dilip ji, unmute kijiye. Unmute kijiye.
Hello everyone. Thanks Rakesh ji. Yes, just to take up from the last sentence, I mean, whether it is befitting or not, I definitely believe that in these times, this is very essential, and probably this is the only option left for us to market ourselves. Like, this could become one of the most effective.
Your voice is breaking, Dilip ji. Voice.
Is it clear now?
Yes, now it's okay. Now it's okay. Yes.
In these times, this is the only option left with us, and I'm very hopeful in future this might become one of the most effective marketing channels. Looking at
Dilip ji, voice is breaking.
Okay, I think there's something wrong with the. Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir, we can hear.
Now it's okay. उससे पहले भी खराब हो जाती है. अभी आप ठीक हो. अब आप.
अच्छा.
Now it's okay.
मैं ये कह रहा हूँ.
थोड़ा शुरू से करिए आप प्लीज. बीच में सारे.
हाँ. I mean, what I feel is probably this is the only option left with us in this new normal now, and I think probably this might become one of the most effective marketing channels going forward. So the only thing is we will have to really, I mean, prepare ourselves for this new way of marketing. Tushar has explained everything, what this virtual show is all about, how we can really, I mean, compare it with a real show. And we should definitely compare ourselves that it is like a real show. Everything is here. Probably we have more possibilities of showing our capabilities, what we are like. I mean, as Christine was saying, that we can show all our process videos. We can tell about a company, our different aspects of a product, how we are packaging, how we are doing, I mean, knockdowns, how we are doing a finishing. All those can be shown now, because many a times we as exhibitors miss, as a salespeople, giving all these details to our customers. Like, so in a way, it is, I mean, it is an opportunity to show all our capabilities. Only thing is, we will have to really, the time is less. We are running out of our time. We are working against time. Even EPCH is really working hard to, I mean, come to this, and we all should really gear up for this and see that we can grab this opportunity. This is what I can say now, but if there are specific questions, I can answer what I have understood about this virtual show and how am I preparing. If there are questions, I'm happy to answer these.
Dilip ji, one of the question I can guess, because that is also in the question gallery, but otherwise most of the exhibitors normally first time have an unknown fear, and the unknown fear is on the mainly on the two aspects. One is that their design can be copied, even if we say there's a privacy to an extent, but somebody can take the screenshot. This is the one. how that has to be protected. This is the first point. And the second is whether buyer would be really able to finalize the business through virtual. There's a little bit concern about it, because for the ages, we have been just working only in the physical manner. So these are two main issues normally exhibitors have it right now also, I see in the QA format.
Okay. So just to answer your first question of privacy of our products. See, in this virtual world, yes, there will be always a possibility of somebody, taking a click of your products, but there are ways of restricting them. See, what happens is, the way I'm approaching this show is, I'm creating a show window of some of the products which I want to show on a show window.
Voice delivery, voice is gone. Yeah, अभी नहीं आ रही, अभी थोड़े से.
Is it clear now?
Yeah, no, it's okay.
Okay.
No.
So
No, it's okay. You were there, and how you approach. Yeah. No. No, you are still not. Yeah.
Something is wrong here.
No, it's okay.
Now is it okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah. Okay. So so what happens is, see, the way you're doing in a real show, you create a show window for yourselves virtually, and just show your show windows what you want to showcase. And later on, if a customer likes and he wants to enter your booth, make it a password enabled entry into your booth line. The way you can do is password enabled entries. One is you can create your own website, which can be very as interactive as possible, as much as you go deeper in your technology. You can create a virtual showroom of yours, or you can further show them more pictures, more catalogs of yours. Like, so this is one way of restricting your, the entry of visitors. So you make sure whosoever is visiting your booth, you are sure of and you show them. So that's one way of doing, restricting your this thing. Like, now coming to your second question, will people order here on virtually? See, I see now in the post-COVID and in this new normal, there will be a lot of opportunity for people who are selling ready stocks. If you are having your ready stocks, create your website in such a way and create your order forms and create that, so that I see, some of the buyers coming and buying. If you have stocks there, they would definitely clip and buy there. Like, so there is a possibility, maybe not for the larger buyers. Larger buyers would shortlist your product and may ask for samples. You may ship them samples, and that's how your interaction will start. But the smaller buyers, if you keep stocks, show them this is a stock I'm having, I see an opportunity of you getting orders online even.
Perfect, Dilipji, thank you very much. And in fact, what you said is a very simple word. Even if somebody is not able to create a website, the advice to the people is that they have to put only the representative item, so that the buyer can guess that they deal into the kind of products. So, and then they can further start discussion about their product and the business. And then definitely, once you know about the credential of the buyer, you can further take the business forward. Thank you for that. अब आप इसी में ही रावत जी मिल रहे हैं हमारे पास। इफ्जाज के जो एग्जीबिटर हैं उनमें से किसी एक को अगर हम ले लें, तो वो हमें कुछ बताएंगे कि क्या हो सकता है और क्या उन लोगों ने किया, what was the unknown fear with them, how they were able to ultimately take it forward. So आप किसको, नुपुर जी को ले लें या लाली साहब को ले लें, किसी को भी ले लीजिए आप.
Sir, we'll start with the only lady in the house, Ms. Nupur Batra, and then we'll move on.
Yeah. Thank you, Nupur ji.
Hello everyone, nice being with you all. अगर हम copying की बात करें, so of course there was a fear that the designs will be copied here and there. But as per my understanding, हम सब जितने भी एक्सपोर्टर्स यहाँ बैठे हुए हैं, हम सिर्फ डिजाइन के लिए तो अपना बिजनेस चला नहीं रहे। डिजाइन के बाद डिलीवरी टाइम, क्वालिटी टाइम, कॉस्टिंग वगैरह भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। एंड आई थिंक जैसे सब बोल रहे हैं कि आप सिर्फ एक शो विंडो बनाइए जिससे आपके आपके काम की जो हैंड राइटिंग है, जो एक लुक है, जैसे दिलीप जी इज नोन फॉर हिज सेरामिक एंड लाली इज नोन फॉर हिज लेदर, आई एम नोन फॉर माय बीडिंग, और मतलब जो हमारे बायर्स हमको लाइक करते हैं, हम उसकी हम एक शो विंडो बना लेंगे एंड देन वी कैन बी वेरी स्पेसिफिक। वेबसाइट अगर हमारी बड़ी टेक्निकल हाई लेवल पे है तो वी कैन मेक दिस लाइक पासवर्ड कोऑर्डिनेटेड, पासवर्ड प्रोटेक्टेड, वी कैन गिव इट टू पासवर्ड्स, या हम सिर्फ अपनी एक सिंपल एक्सेल शीट या पावर पॉइंट में बना लेंगे एंड ओवर स्काइप या जूम कॉल या पीपीटी में हम करते रहेंगे। So I think this is quite, I think this is a very good thing. We should all try and give our best. There will be a point where हम Greater Noida में कम जाया करेंगे, virtual show में ज़्यादा बैठा करेंगे. That's what my take is.
Your point is correct, Nupurji, because our strong feeling is that even if physical show will held, along with that, later on the virtual will become the compulsion. Virtual will definitely be held along with the virtual. That will become the compulsion, both in the way because the number. Can you just tell us, जब आप इफ्जाज में, क्योंकि आप पहले करीब 10 इफ्जाज में पार्टिसिपेट किए थे और अभी जो 13th इफ्जा हुआ आपने पार्टिसिपेट किया, can you just compare the footfall between both and then how you stop the Indian exhibitors? क्योंकि इंडियन आपके जो को एग्जिबिटर हैं वो भी वहाँ आए होंगे, ये भी लोगों को रहता है कि साहब मेरे को एग्जिबिटर ना रहे। आपके यहाँ बाहर के कोई इंडी लोग आकर के आपका सामान लेने की कोशिश किए होंगे, तो वो और साथ में टोटल फुटफॉल का किस तरह से था, क्योंकि आप तो शायद इंडियन मार्केट को भी कैटर करने लग पड़े थे, वो भी आप कर रहे हैं ऑलरेडी, तो थोड़ा सा उसके बारे में बताएं, क्या फुटफॉल कैसा था? जो बायर आपके पास आता है, क्या आपको शाम को उससे पता लग जाता है कि बायर का डिटेल क्या है, उसकी ईमेल क्या है, क्या उसके बारे में आप जान सकते हैं? जस्ट थोड़ा सा बताइए।
सर फिजिकल फेयर में तो ऑफ कोर्स जब हम खड़े होते थे तो लाइक एनी वर्चुअल फेयर आल्सो अनवांटेड पीपल यूज्ड टू कम एंड ऑल, बट अगर हम फुटफॉल की बात करें तो आई थिंक ऑन एन एवरेज हम 10 विजिटिंग कार्ड्स एक्सचेंज करते थे अपने फिजिकल स्टैंड पे जब भी हमारा होता था। एंड ऑफ कोर्स एक टाइम स्लॉट था सुबह 10 बजे से लेके 6 बजे तक जाने का, but surprisingly on an average I've got close to 80-90 people coming every day. So if you look at the kind of buyers जो भी हमारे पास आए हैं, हमारे पास leads तो point of contact तो काफी आए हैं, and वो तो over the time like any physical show वो तो बाद में पता चलता है through follow उनको क्या चाहिए क्या नहीं चाहिए। but अगर हम एक database की बात करें, of course this was not even double, much better। और अगर हमको लीड्स की बात करें तो वो भी आई थिंक ऑफ कोर्स काफी इंटरेस्ट शो हुआ है। और रही बात की जो दूसरे एग्जिबिटर्स हमारे स्टैंड पे आए थे, बट आई थिंक ये जो आपका सॉफ्टवेयर है दैट्स क्वाइट इट्स वेरी प्रिसाइज। हमको उसी टाइम ईमेल आ जाती है कि सो एंड सो हैज एंटर्ड योर स्टैंड, सो यू कैन जस्ट काइंड ऑफ email them, WhatsApp them and tell them कि like what is it that you really want from us। and so but this is quite detailed, so जिसको आपने approach करना है, जिसको आपने accept करना, आप उनको करिए, नहीं तो you can just pick up the call that time and tell them please you're not welcome to our stand, please step out। and as usual अगर ये password भी protected हो जाएगा then तो nothing like it, anybody can come and know मेरी factory किधर है, what is my product and what I'm selling, but product quality or product pricing के लिए तो then we can be very specific। So I think that should not be considered as a threat. It's just a weak point of this virtual show, and I think we should cover up with the virtual and the worldwide presence that I have। I mean, I had buyers coming inside at 3 o'clock in the morning, और सुबह जब उठते थे तो पता चलता, so that was nice।
क्योंकि यूएस जो है जब हम लोग 9 बजे बंद कर देंगे तो उसके बाद यूएस में लोग जागना शुरू करेंगे, तो उसके बाद भी क्या आपके पास लोग आए हैं रात को? यूएस के लोगों को आपने कैसे?
जी सर। And the good thing was when I was offline, I was getting an email into my account, तो वो हमको एक्सेल शीट बनाने का भी हार्ड वर्क नहीं करना पड़ा, अपने आप ही हमारे को एक पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्टैक्ट ऑफ बायर्स आ गए सारे कि so and so has entered and this is your contact number and all that। So I think it was quite concise, it was quite
अभी हम लोग लाली सानी जी हैं हमारे साथ में, और लाली सानी जी जो हैं, आपने काफी मोटिवेशनल प्रोग्राम किया पूरे फेयर में। इन्होंने एक तरह से एक शुरू से मुहिम चलाई और सबसे पहले ही वाज द वन हु स्टार्टेड इशूइंग हिज वीडियोस एंड ऑल दैट, कि कैसे आना चाहिए बायर्स को, क्या करना चाहिए। तो आई थिंक लाली जी, यू कैन जस्ट थ्रो सम लाइट ऑन दिस। क्या इसमें कॉमन एरर्स क्या थे और कैसे आपने उनको टैप किया, या लोगों में कोई इशू था उसको कैसे आपने अटेंड किया, या एक तरह से व्हाट इज द मैसेज यू वांट टू गिव?
Well, I'd first like to congratulate EPCH and IFJAS for a successful virtual show for which I was a beneficiary. And my name is, for the interest of disclosure to all the people listening, my name is Lali Sahni. I am in the business of making beautiful fashion accessories based out of Noida. My company is called Ecoline and my brand is called Pure Woman. But let me tell them the truth. I was hesitant. Until the last week of May, I was hesitant because it's an unfamiliar territory. And, I hadn't been there before. And I'm sure some of you feel like that, and which is very normal. But then, I thought over it. Another friend of mine called me and persuaded, and he said, yeah, what are your other choices? I mean, that's a question I also want you to ponder. Our salary bills are coming every month. Our rental bills are coming. Our bank interest payments are coming. What are our choices? So we have to come out and embrace technology. I mean, honestly, some of what we used to see on Netflix and such fictional movies is now happening with us. We cannot travel, we cannot go out, we don't want to touch any clothing, nothing. So when I came into it, I was very hesitant. But then I'm much smarter in technology now in June than I was in the last week of May, because I was hesitant. But once I did this show, I learned a lot. This is the new way of life. We like it or we don't like it, we have to embrace it. And there was a fantastic dynamic team, back-end team of EPCH, where we were learning as we were going. We used to get together every evening and put up our questions and answers. And then we kept improving as we went. Back in the day, they used to say that you're as good as your business card, because your business card travels more places than you do. And now, since this is a virtual show, my only humble submission to all of you would be, as Rakesh ji said, that I made some videos, because jo dikhta hai wahi bikta hai. And a buyer sitting in Europe doesn't know anything. So it might be wise for you to get a good photography shoot done, for which you don't need to go to Karan Johar. You can just go to the local photographer in your town. He can make a small, like you see these corporate videos, he can make a small corporate video. Please ensure that your videos are not more than 2 to 3 minutes. That's a very long time, in fact, because buyers don't like watching good stuff. Even you get a video on WhatsApp, if it's beyond 2-3 minutes, you don't want to download it, you don't want to watch it. So make a small video explaining who you are. Just say, if a buyer comes to your stand at an EPCH show, so there are certain protocols that we say, hi, I'm so-and-so, I work with so-and-so companies, I'm compliant, I have a factory, I have a design team. Write down your points and make them in a small video. And within 2 to 3 minutes, I'm positive if you do your research well, you can make a very beautiful video. And make some small videos, as Christine said, you have smart children. So make small videos which you can put on other social, micro blogging, or on the small ones, because a lot of buyers go and look for trends on micro blogging. So you must do that. And as Dilip ji said, and as Nupur also said, that I'm sure the question that is popping in your mind is, what happens to my range? Would people copy me? You don't have to put all your eggs in the one basket. Again, I'd say, when you sit with yourself, each company has their own fragrance. Each company is good at something. So you have to see what you're good at and make a small representational collection. Like you go to a mall, you see when you go past the mall in India or abroad, this is what they call the art of visual merchandising. They will convey their message, what is inside the store, as soon as you go past the window. So in that small collection, you don't need to put everything, but believe me, buyer knows what he's looking for. So you put your techniques, your best foot forward in a very brief manner, and the buyer knows. And if he likes it, he will come to you. So please do not be worried about my range being copied. I wouldn't worry about what's behind me. I'd worry about what's in front of me. Another point beautiful about this fair, a lot of small buyers can't afford coming to India for obvious reasons. I mean, it's an expensive country to come, the ticket. A lot of small buyers came to me, where not only do I liquidate my stock, on top of that, my payment terms are much easier than compared to the big stores who have, very one-sided, lopsided financial terms, no compliance issues with them, no protocols with them. So you will get small buyers who will let you liquidate your stock, which is probably part of your profit, sitting somewhere occupying space in your warehouse, which you can actually go out and rent for 30 rupees a square feet or 40 rupees, depending where it is. And my only submission is that take the plunge, you won't regret it. I mean, EPCH has been one of the most dynamic organizations. They've even embraced virtual technology even before the so-called Western developed economies have done it. And you cannot go wrong. I mean, the price is so minimalistic. I mean, some of us, when we come back from our European exhibitions, utne ki tum duty free se daru hi le lete hain. I'm sorry, this is meant to be on a note of levity. So go for it, and you will not regret it. And I'm just going to conclude it by one little quote. And it says that mind is like a parachute. It only works when it is open. So open your mind, come forward, have trust on us, because I was a student of virtual exhibitions, and today I am even able to share this piece of knowledge with my friends from other industries. So you can't go wrong. Take the plunge. If you have any queries from anybody here, including me, it'll be a pleasure and honor for me to share my factual experience. So God bless you, and chale aao.
Thank you, Lali ji. Very motivating words. These are really words of inspiration to everyone. Thanks for that. And in fact, it's all your experience. That's why we can rely on that. That's very important.
सर आपने बोला words of motivation है, तो उसमें अक्षय कुमार की पिक्चर का डायलॉग था. वो कहते हैं हम तो सच कहते हैं, अच्छी तो बात अपने आप लग जाती है.
बहुत बढ़िया. ठीक है. अच्छा, रावत जी, क्या व्हाट इज नेक्स्ट बताइए.
हमारे पास मिस्टर सिंह है मुरादाबाद से, मिस्टर जेपी सिंह.
अभी ऐसा है, सिंह के साथ सिंह बढ़ा दोगे तो फिर ज्यादा हो जाएगा. अभी आप सिंह को बाद में लीजिए. इससे पहले आप हमारे श्री हंसराज बेती जी हैं जोधपुर से, उनसे कुछ दो शब्द करवाइए, एक अच्छे से करवाइए, फिर हमारे जेपी सिंह जी को बात कराते हैं.
मिस्टर अंशुल गोला भी है सर हमारे साथ जोधपुर से, उनसे बात करेंगे.
अंशुल गोला है जयपुर से. यस,
जयपुर से.
As a matter of fact, how we are going to make use of the IFJAS exhibitors and the textile exhibitor. For the ISGF, we are going to have a lot of people around you before the show. These two beta versions, these two pilot projects we did, we are going to do before the ISGF. So one is already done, that is IFJAS. Second is textile, from 15 to 18, it will be over. So you will be having some of the mentors around you. Jaipur people are lucky. That way, Delhi people are lucky, and some other people are lucky. Jodhpur, there are very few. So, like in Jaipur, you have Anshul Gola, who participated in the IFJAS. We would request Mr. Anshul Gola to share his experience. And so, be ready to please guide your fellow exporters of ISGF. They may approach you. We'll be sending your number in case they need any help. As an exhibitor point of view, please guide them. Anshul ji.
Good evening, everyone. I am Anshul Gola from Medallion Jewels. We participated in the virtual fair IFJAS 2020, which, in my opinion, was a great initiative. And considering first time, all of our first time, it was a wonderful experience, and it really worked, especially for us. Here's some of the major takeaways for us. My first point is it's 24 hours show, so any buyer registered can have access at any time as per his comfort. So even when you're not online, you still get a mail from EPCH that so-and-so buyer will. So they're leaving a footprint behind from where you can take the conversation forward. My second suggestion is you can not only showcase your designs, but also letting the buyers know you tell them that you're here and you're here to showcase. So you need to put across who you are through your various social platforms across the internet. So make the best use of all your digital presence, which we do apply. It wonders for us. work on your website, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, or whatever other platform you're. Most importantly, the leads we had were much more than we initially expected, as most of the buyers waited almost all the booths, which is not possible in regular fairs and due to time constraints and many other reasons. Out of a lot of buyers who visited us, the potential leads which we have, some are almost on the verge of finalizing, so getting few orders in upcoming days. As for the tech issues, technical team is present almost all the time to take care of the issues you might face regarding the platform, which in fact is very user friendly. So once you're there live on the platform on the show day, it will hardly take 15 minutes to understand what it is. It's that easy. So that's all from my side. Thank you. And all the best for all the IGF participants.
Thank you, Anshulji. In fact, exhibitors who participated in IFJA, they are reminding us a lot of services which we could not even mention in our presentation. Tushar could not mention that there are back-end services available, and these services are available 24/7.
Yes,
Anyone, and the most important, every day at 9 p.m. after the show, we used to have an exhibitor meeting. All the exhibitors of IFJA, they used to be present in that meeting. They used to raise their concern, issues, whatever it is, and we tried that in the night time. It is done. So 13 July to 18 July is the show, but virtually the show platform will be open till 19 July 11 a.m. The reason is 18 July for US and Latin America, South America is going to be 19th morning here. So that is a plus 1 day. Plus 1 day you have to count. So you have to be with us till 11 a.m. of the next day. So I think now, Ravaji, a lot of questions are there. Before that, we'll request Mr. Michael from the Buying Agent Association just to say a word, because Michael looks after the trade fair wing of the Buying Agent Association. And Michael has been participating in the fairs even as a BA representative and also otherwise over there. So Michael, please, few words.
Thank you, Rakesh, and thank you, everyone. I was hearing a lot of stories about design and copy. Just go back, I think 1 decade or something, when this .com businesses started. Everybody was fearing, like, if I make a website for my company, probably the design will be copied. Now look at current conditions. Even a smallest company, if somebody is coming to the business, first thing they do, they make a website and put their product pictures on there. So we all know what designs to show and what designs to be kept for a certain buyers and the copyright issue and everything. So I think Ms. Nupur has made a wonderful point that we should make a calendar kind of thing, like which can represent all your categories, what you are dealing when somebody visiting your booth, and the rest of the things, either you can upload your videos and make a link to your website. And then you can start chatting with the buyers. Second, I think there's a one Google map you're showing with one of the showrooms was highlighted there. I was in a show in High Point last year, and I saw this kind of thing was happening there with my client. They were making a small documentary with 3 minutes or 4 minutes, which they are uploading on their website, where they were taking talking about their product, holding in their hands, talk about it a few minutes, a few seconds, and then they move it to other categories. If we make this kind of explanation about our product, that will take to each and every buyer who's visiting your booth. And when I was a part of the IFJA virtual show, and I also had a lot of question. But I know after the first webinar which we had, the Zoom call which we had to explain how it's going to work, it's so easy and convenient. And once you've been part of this show, definitely you will see a lot of footfall, and there are a lot of buying agents will be coming, that people can come directly to your booth. You don't need to cross the whole gallery and coming to your booth. If you just give your booth details to your buyer, and they will definitely directly come to your booth. You need to be visiting any of the other places. So I would request everyone to please participate in this one, and we are also inviting a lot of our buyers for this one. And let's see this one and the next show, which I think Rakesh ji is planning for in July, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah, correct. Thank you, Michael.
Thank you,
Michael. रावत जी, next बताइए.
Should we go on to the question?
क्वेश्चन से पहले 2 वर्ड हंसराज जी से, जोधपुर के नाते, और लेखराज जी से दो वर्ड बुलवा के फिर हम क्वेश्चन आंसर पे आ रहे हैं.
ठीक है सर. तो मैं रिक्वेस्ट हंसराज बाहेती जी. हंसराज बाहेती जी नहीं है सर. we can have Mr. लेखराज महेश्वरी. महेश्वरी साहब, आप अनम्यूट कर लीजिए.
नमस्कार.
हाँ,
आवाज आ रही है मेरी?
जी जी जी.
बोले.
सबसे पहले मैं ईपीसेट को बधाई दूंगा. उन्होंने जो वर्चुअल ट्रेड फेयर अभी इफ्जाज का किया है, बहुत बढ़िया किया है. और आज के टाइम में अभी जो टाइम चल रहा है उसमें वर्चुअल फेयर ही जरूरी है, क्योंकि बाहर आ नहीं सकता, अपन वहाँ जा सकते नहीं. और ये जो प्लेटफॉर्म है, ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म, इसी के जरिए अपना एक्सपोर्ट बढ़ा सकते हैं. तो मैं सोचता हूँ ईपीसेट ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया, आईमेल ने भी अच्छा काम किया है, आगे भी अच्छा काम करेंगे. और मैं राकेश जी, वर्मा जी और पूरी टीम आईमेल टीम को और बधाई देना चाहूँगा, जिन्होंने वर्चुअल फेयर अच्छा ऑर्गेनाइज किया. आगे जो टेक्सटाइल का फेयर और बड़ा फेयर हो रहा है, वो मैं समझता हूँ बहुत अच्छा फेयर जाएगा. और आप लोगों ने सबने जो एक्सपीरियंस दिए, सभी बाहर सब पिक्चर सब देख रहे हैं और सबको फोन से बातचीत हो रही है. सभी लोग आने के लिए तैयार हैं. धन्यवाद.
थैंक यू लेखराज जी. रावत जी, हम क्वेश्चन ले रहे हैं. इन क्वेश्चन के दौरान में ही हम लोग दूसरे जेपी सिंह जी हैं और बाकी जो हमारे पैनलिस्ट हैं उनको ले लेंगे. तो बेसिकली क्वेश्चंस आप कहें तो मैं एक करके क्वेश्चन में ही पकड़ लेता हूँ. व्हाट इज द लास्ट डेट फॉर सबमिटिंग द प्रोडक्ट लिस्ट? वर्मा जी प्लीज. वर्मा जी अनम्यूट करके बताइए, व्हाट इज द लास्ट डेट फॉर सबमिटिंग द प्रोडक्ट लिस्ट?
सर, वी हैव ऑलरेडी, इनको एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म आ गए हैं. ऑन द बेसिस हम इनको बूथ कंस्ट्रक्शन करके इनको पास ऑन कर देंगे. मे बी लाइकली मैक्सिमम 25th of June विल बी द लास्ट डेट.
और
क्योंकि बैक एंड पे बहुत काम करना होता है उसके साथ, बैक टीम पे. सर
करेक्ट, 25th June इज द लास्ट डेट. दिग्विजय जी, 25th June तक आप प्लीज अपने प्रोडक्ट वगैरह सब रेडी रखिए और अभी आपके पास समय है. सो प्लीज आप इसको लेकर के चलें. माई मोरओवर डेट जो है हमने 10th से बढ़ा करके जो एप्लीकेशन सबमिट की डेट थी वो हमने अभी 15th कर दी है. सो 15 जून तक सभी एप्लीकेशन दे सकते हैं. 15th के बाद हम लोगों की लिमिटेशन होंगी, क्योंकि प्लेटफॉर्म को कहीं ना कहीं हमें एक लाइन ड्रॉ करनी पड़ेगी. जितने लोग उसमें आ जाएंगे उनको इस बार ले लेंगे. अगर जो लोग इस बार नहीं आ पाएंगे उनको हम नेक्स्ट फेयर के अंदर में अकोमोडेट कर लेंगे. नेक्स्ट है, माई बिलीव दैट स्टिल देयर विल बी ए लॉट unwanted walkings. This has already been explained. We would like to just tell you that when we say unwanted walking means, if we say the overseas buyers all are welcome. When we say a crowd, domestic crowd, there is going to be restriction on that, screening on that. When we say screening, that means domestic volume buyers and the e-commerce buyers, hospitality sector buyers. They will be screened as per their detail of their company, then allowed, but not just layman or anyone who is just going to log in, come, is not allowed. All Indian IPs, and also other IPs are also going to be checked on regular basis. So basically, it's not that anyone who can think that he can just walk in. So it's not possible. That has also been done in the IJAZ, and there have been a lot of screening. Even some of the buying agents were also supposed to give the credentials, whose credentials are not available with us. They have to again submit their credential along with the detail of their principals and the client, and also with whom they are working in India, the exhibitor detail. So basically, a lot of credentials are required while coming in the platform. just as a layman platform. So that is there. Next question. Customer won't come to us by our name. So what alternate ways we have to bring them in our booth? One, we would request you to please be please if you are hunting for business, platform is open for 24/7. I would suggest that even you stay later than 9 also on the booth, because this will happen every time with any new company. When they are there, they have to spend more time, also a lot of efforts they have to do. We all kind of additional areas. If you wish, you can also make use of those areas in addition to just your booth. So that can also be provided. Next is this is about, is there's a new buyer who has, just a minute. Who has no knowledge about the exporter, so don't you think it will hard to visit every stand? So how he has to do that? So the only way it has to be make friendly is two-way. Sancheti ji, your question, Pranav ji. One, this time we are going to send a pre-fare directory in advance to all the buyers, so that if the pre-fare directory is there with the buyer, then definitely they can go through the pre-fare directory, and as per the product, they can search the product where they wish to visit, because the fare will be larger this time. Certainly your issue is genuine, so that's why the pre-fare directory is very, very important, and we have to send the pre-fare directory. The same complaint normally they have in the physical, that how the buyer has to go everywhere. But here still you have a pre-fare directory, and even before entering to the fair, you are able to see through the search list on the different categories. So that is possible through that. Definitely that is the only process, and there's no other process other than that. Next is Sunil Janji, how you can assure that buyer visits all exporter. So this, I think, suggestion must come from you. How we have to assure, because we cannot assure that a buyer has to visit all the exporter. The buyer is not bound to visit all the exporter and all the exhibitor. It is for the buyer, if he has interest, he has a budget, and if really he has a time, he will make it. Otherwise, definitely he is not going to make it. That's why it is for you to make your booth attractive, your product attractive, and send an invite, e-invite prior to the show. If you are able to send the e-invite prior to the show, and the buyer is aware where you are, what you are, then definitely that will also help a lot for visit to your booth. So this is the one thing. Next is appreciate the date extension to 15. Thank you, Naresh Bothra ji. Few exporters requested to extend this, and definitely we got this message from Bharat Dinesh ji and Hassan Beti ji, and also from our Lekhraj ji. That's why we have done it. Thank you for that, for cooperating. Now I think everybody will take the advantage of the date, and they should go by the date. What is the last date to submit application? The answer is there, 15 June. There's the one question from artisan card holder can get free stall here. Friends know free stall is available. The cost, whatever the cost is mentioned, is also very, very subsidized. So please don't expect any free from now. You would like to, this I have done. Can we also, what is the
trial version?
Charges, expenses, we already mentioned you, 9,500 plus GST is the charges. Those are participating in the textile show, plus this show, for them, there's a combo offer of 10,500 or 14,500 altogether. So then there's a one from Village Antique and Ethnic. Do we need to develop and picture a complete stall? No. You are not, Mr. Jain. You are basically, we will be providing you complete template of the booth. We will show you just now. One complete booth will be ready with you. We will create a booth for you. Just you have to provide the inputs for the booth. That means first input is about you, about your product and the content that you have to provide. If you you will also be given the exhibitor login. We are going to set up the help desk. On 20 exhibitors, there is one person as a help desk. He will call you, or you can call them, and then will tell you step by step how you have to load your picture and how you have to see your exhibitor login can work out. So exhibitor login is with you, and before opening of the fair, you can also preview your booth. We can show your booth to you how it looks like. So the complete booth can also be seen by you. How will the company website be displayed? Company website is it is just to be connected over there. That also will tell you how it can be connected with the content page. There will be a separate discussion for the final exhibitor, maybe a common error discussions and all that. That will take place later on. This one was the very first meeting, but after that we'll have a 1 or 2 more meeting where all these errors and problem issue will be sorted out. Next is there any provision to find out the visitor on my virtual booth? If yes, then how? The moment any visitor will enter your booth, you will immediately get a message, a mail. Otherwise, also when you have exhibitor login, you being the booth representative know about it, that who is in your booth, his credentials, whatever he has declared in his form with us, in the registration form, the entire information will be shared with you automatically. So that is the part of our inbuilt system. Now, just a minute. Yeah, what's the last date to submit that we have mentioned you? Ragji, आपको बता दिया हमने. Will buying agency or the representative be permitted to register and log in a show on behalf of the overseas buyer? Yes, they are. Do we get stall number? Also, what should be the size of booth? Chirag, you will get the stall number. Certainly, you will get the stall number. Vermaji will reply you. Hopefully, the stall number is going to be the same as we allotted you for the spring fair. The number is same. Location is only virtual location now, not the hall number 15 or hall number 7. So it's also what should be the size of the booth. This time, no 12 meter, 18 meter, 24 or 60 or 100 meter. All booths are the same. Interesting part is you can include as many as number of product in the same, and then you can make a visit. Booth representative number is restricted. More than 2, you need a special permission, and if there is a cost that you have to bear. Visitor, any number can come at one time. Also, more number of visitors can come. What have to be submitted by 25th June? This Amitji, I think you can mail right now. Manish will send you mail ID. On that mail, you send your detail. We'll let you know what exactly to be added. And once you apply, after that, you will get a exhibitor manual. In the exhibitor manual, each and every information, step-by-step information we are providing. Next is what about the date of registration and live show. We don't get any mail or material so far. राजेश जी, अभी एक मेल आईडी आपको दे रहे हैं, आप उसको देख लीजिए. कोई दिक्कत है तो उस मेल आईडी पे आप अपनी डिटेल भेजिए. सब लोगों को मेल जा चुकी है, लोग अप्लाई कर चुके हैं, हमारे पास एप्लीकेशन आ गई है, पेमेंट आ गई. प्लीज आप उस पर भेजिए, आपको सब चीजें आएंगी. नहीं आएंगी तो आप कॉल कीजिएगा. और एक फोन नंबर भी भेजिए मनीष, दोनों चीजें भेजिए. Can you give a webinar on how to set up a booth? Yes, there will be a separate webinar on that, how to set up a booth. by when you can share exhibitor login so that we can start working on it. वर्मा जी ये आप बताइएगा, इससे आगे एक क्वेश्चन आप लीजिए. वर्मा जी. एग्जीबिटर लॉगिन कब देनी है आपने, ये बता दीजिए.
सर
आप
अभी
लोगों को मनीष कुमार है, हमने आपको मोबाइल नंबर भेजा है, एक हम ईमेल आईडी आपको दे रहे हैं.
सर द लास्ट डेट इज जैसे कि 15 तारीख है. हाँ, ओके. The last date is 15th of. The last date for submission of application is 15th June. So on receipt of the application, we are going to customize the booth as per the template available with us, and we'll share you your login and password and your booth. Then you can have the opportunity to upload your website, your product details, and your other details you can upload on that. During that time, we will conduct also a webinar how to construct your booth, how to upload the information. That may be around say 15th or maybe the between 15th to 18th. We will have the separate webinar for that purpose. So, what are the dates of handicraft and furniture fair? It's the same date. It's a combined fair, 13th to 18th of July. Send application virtual form on email. Okay, we'll send them. I think form is also available on our EPCH website on www.epch.com. But in the meantime, on your email, we'll send you the application form. When we can get the exhibitors login. We have already told you that after the construction of booth, that is a technology based, and we'll share you the complete login password, then you can have the view and your information. By when we will share the login? Okay, this is the same repeat question. Can we have webinar and how to set up? Yes, we'll have. Like Kristen has mentioned that she shared the ideas about the EPCH must share the exhibitors that we can make use of a vast experience. What have to submit it 25th June? Again, 25th June, prepare your product catalogs, your videos that can be uploaded on your booth. Do we have the, I think this is already replied. Yes, you will have the stand number, which I think the same number you give allotted in the 15th to 18th of this our last spring fair. Same booth is there. I think last maximum question has been replied. On which mail we have to submit our application form? The same ihgf@epcs.com, you can submit your application form. We'll share you what type of the catalog can be uploaded, PDF, which type of product catalog. Either PDF and Flipkart. PDF can be uploaded on your booth. How can I come over this? Bharatji, how can I come over this? Is a EPCS technical team will be there to individual exhibitors to assist them to resolve their issues and to upload their information on the booth. I think this is the last question. और तो कोई question नहीं है. We will send all details to EPCS awaiting booth layout. Okay. रावत जी मैं clear कर दूं. 15th as extended date. EPCS team and IML team will build the booth, and then the information uploaded which is available with us, and will share login and password with you to work at your end. Then EPCS technical team will be available at your disposal. At any time you can seek their help, and they can help you. 25th is the last date to upload, because at the back end the technical work is to be worked by our IML team and the EPCS team. That's all. रावत जी और कुछ क्वेश्चन नहीं मुझे लगता नहीं इसके अलावा. 46 क्वेश्चन
नहीं, एक और है अभी, रुकिएगा. इसमें ये है, मैं दे रहा हूँ.
is Spring Fair. We have clubbed booth for three sister concern. Now we want different hall according to the products. You can have your three booth according to your products also. But you have to submit three applications separately.
फॉर्म सबमिट करने के लिए मेल आईडी भेज दो इसमें भैया, इसमें किसी ने मांगे हैं हमारे।
हाँ वो दे रहे हैं सर सबको।
ठीक है
तुषार अपना मेल कर दीजिए इस पे।
वो शेयर कर लिया मनीष ने सर।
हाँ
ऑलरेडी हैव बीन शेयर्ड इन द चैट रूम ना,
चैट में
मैं उसको रीपोस्ट कर देता हूँ।
हाँ एक यहाँ पूछा है किसी ने कि भाई जब हम फेयर में जाते हैं तो डेफिनेटली फिजिकल फेयर में सबके बूथ जो है अलग अलग बने हुए दिखाई देते हैं, लेकिन इसके अंदर में सभी का एक ही तरह के आइकॉन या बूथ दिखाई देंगे सिवाय उनके लोगो दिखाई देंगे। तो एक तो उनके लोगो दिखाई देंगे, बात ठीक है। दूसरा अगर आप बूथ चाहें तो हमारे पास डिफरेंट टेम्पलेट हैं, उन टेम्पलेट में से ले सकते हैं और अपना भी बूथ चाहें तो आप बना करके डाल सकते हैं, हम आपको दे देंगे, लेकिन उसमें टाइम लगेगा आपको खुद को यूज बनाने में, उसकी तैयारी कर सकते हैं, आप अपना बूथ बना के डाल सकते हैं। और इसके अलावा है एक और है, वो क्वेश्चन मुझे अभी मिल नहीं रहा वापिस, ये है कि आई एम कैटरिंग टू यूएस बायर्स बट इफ यूरोपियन बायर्स सी माय प्रोडक्ट्स दे विल नॉट लाइक देम, हेंस माय रैंकिंग इज गोइंग टू गो डाउन, राइट। सो वो उसके लिए क्या करें? तो ये तो उनका बेसिकली अपना पूरी तरह से बिजनेस डिसीजन है, और अगर बाई चांस वो यूरोप और अमेरिका के यूएस के अलावा दूसरी कॉन्टिनेंट भी देखना चाहते हैं तो इसकी अपॉर्चुनिटी यहाँ एग्जिस्ट कर रही है। लैटिन अमेरिका की अपॉर्चुनिटी है, मिडल ईस्ट की अपॉर्चुनिटी है, एशिया की है, चाइना की है, वो अपॉर्चुनिटी यहाँ से ले सकते हैं। if they think their entire range is protected by the US and the European buyer and they will not allow anything to show them, so then definitely they have other continent to work, and rest is definitely their decision. But I think Dilip ji is very well explained this question, so they have to take the decision accordingly. And then yeah, one of the exhibitor himself has replied to the exhibitor, and that is more logical and practical reply, that I think not from us but otherwise, he said that in such case two separate booths, one for US buyer and one for European buyer they can take. I don't know how it works, but we will be willing to give two booths. If somebody has a problem of that kind, we would definitely help them in there, if that is going to solve with that. Now, most of the questions have been answered. We are still open for any number of questions later on after this presentation. They can write us. There's an email on that they can write. We have a lot of FAQ. We were expecting more questions. In fact, many more questions which we have experienced in the IFJAS and also textile fair that have not come. But we'll send you in a form of a FAQ, frequent asked question, from the buyers and from the exhibitor both. Also, we'll send you one list of the common errors. So that please see very carefully. So while you are exhibiting, that to be very minutely seen, and then you have to attend to that list so that there is no error that is there. वो आप थोड़ा सा देख लीजिए। कोई रॉकेटेड साइंस इस्तेमाल नहीं हुई है, कोई ऐसी चीज नहीं है इसके अंदर जो हमने किया है। बड़ा सिंपल, जो लोग अपने स्मार्टफोन यूज करते हैं वो इस प्लेटफॉर्म को यूज कर सकते हैं, कोई ऐसा इशू अंदर नहीं है। बल्कि हम लोग जो है उस जनरेशन में नहीं है, अभी यंगर जनरेशन इसको ज्यादा अच्छे तरीके से ले सकती है। और इसके साथ ही मैं चाहूंगा रावत जी, मिस्टर जेपी सिंह फ्रॉम मुरादाबाद जो है, आप उनसे बात करा सकते हैं तो कराइएगा, और बाकी और किससे बात करनी है आपको?
Thank you, sir. We have got 3 more speakers. I would request all of them to briefly address us. I'll start with Mr. JP Singh, then I'll go to Mr. Ravi Pasi, and in the end I'll go to Mr. RK Verma. So I'll start with Mr. JP Singh. There is experience with the exporters here. Mr. Singh.
Mr. Rawat, जैसा कि मेरा एक्सपीरियंस रहा है विद IFJAS, तो मैं उसमें जो चीज़ें आपको many things have been said, जो चीज़ें मुझे लगता है कि मेंशन नहीं हुई हैं, आई विल लाइक टू शेयर दोज थिंग्स। पहला तो है, जैसे अबाउट अस की बात हो रही थी, तो हमारे पास जो हमारी सोशल मीडिया प्रोफाइल है वो हमें बहुत अच्छे से वहाँ पे इंटीग्रेट करानी है. And we should have a Facebook page, we should have a Twitter handle, we should have a Instagram, we should have a LinkedIn प्रोफाइल. ये सभी हम चीजों को इंटीग्रेट कराना जरूरी होगा. आप अगर आप चाहते हैं उसको अच्छे से अपडेट करना शुरू कर दीजिए, in case you have already not doing it. Second thing, I will pick up a thread from Mr. Lali Sani. I will pick up a thread from Mr. Lali Sani. He has mentioned visual merchandising. तो इसी में मैं 2-3 चीजें कुछ ऐड करना चाहूंगा. Like once you are actually क्या है कि ये जो भी हमारे को वर्चुअल बूथ में डिस्प्ले करना है, I have divided into 3 steps. पहला स्टेप तो ये है कि you must have every material ready before you are allowed to upload it on your virtual booth. Second step definitely uploading है. Third है कि आपको front end कैसे use करना है जब आपके पास fair during the fair. So now I am talking only about the when you are preparing for the material what you are going to post it on your virtual booth. जब आप अपने कैटलॉग्स रेडी कर रहे हैं तो विजुअल मर्चेंडाइजिंग का जो फर्स्ट प्रिंसिपल है दैट कलर इज किंग. तो आप कोई भी ब्राइट बहुत ज्यादा ऐसे कलर्स मत रखिए जो डिस्ट्रैक्ट करे. ट्राई टू कीप देम सॉफ्ट जो आपके प्रोडक्ट से फोकस ना हटे. सो बेसिकली यू शुड फोकस ऑन योर प्रोडक्ट. दैट इज वन थिंग. दूसरी चीज आप एम्प्टी स्पेसेस को वाइजली यूज करें. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू हैव अ प्रोफाइल पेज है, आपका प्रोफाइल है, आप प्रोफाइल की पीपीटी है, आपको उसके ऊपर वाला हेडर है, उसके अंदर आप अपने स्मॉल कोलाजेस ले सकते हैं अपने प्रोडक्ट के, ताकि जो बायर को वहीं से अंदाजा होना शुरू हो जाएगा कि आपका बेसिकली स्पेशलाइजेशन किस पर्टिकुलर फील्ड में है. थर्ड थिंग इज कि आप कॉल टू एक्शन हर जगह रखें. आपकी जितनी प्रोडक्ट स्लाइड्स हैं उनके ऊपर आप अपना ईमेल आईडी और अपना वेबसाइट जरूर शेयर करें, ताकि वो वहीं से फॉर प्राइस रिलेटेड इंक्वायरीज प्लीज कॉन्टेक्ट अस, ताकि वो आपको वहीं से वहीं कॉन्टेक्ट करने के लिए इमीडिएटली इफ दे लाइक समथिंग दे शुड इमीडिएटली स्टार्ट कॉन्टेक्टिंग यू देयर ओनली इंस्टेड ऑफ गोइंग बैक टू अनदर सेक्शन टू फाइंड योर डिटेल्स. और दूसरी जो एक टेक्निकल पॉइंट है दैट इज जब आप अपने पीडीएफ रेडी करते हैं, पीपीटीज रेडी करते हैं, सो डू नॉट ओवर कंप्रेस द पिक्चर्स. वो बाद में वहां पे दिक्कत आती है, तो इसलिए आप उसको ऑप्टिमाइज करें सो दैट एक्स्ट्रा टैग्स आर रिमूव्ड, so that once you incorporate them in your PDFs, they are giving you good picture quality. This is what is very important. Or you don't have to really wait for to see the how your product looks at the front end. आप जैसे अपलोड करते हैं आप वहां पे प्रीव्यू का ऑप्शन भी आपको मिलता है, आप वहीं पे प्रीव्यू करके देख सकते हैं. इन केस उसमें कोई दिक्कत आ रही है तो आप उसको वहीं से रिप्लेस कर दीजिए. यू डोंट हैव टू रियली वेट फॉर द शो, या उससे पहले आपको कुछ भी, क्योंकि नेचुरल है जब आपको ईपीसीएच के हेल्प डेस्क या वो लोग आपको स्क्रीनशॉट्स प्रोवाइड करते हैं तो एक्चुअली वो उस नजरिए से नहीं देख रहे होते जिस नजरिए से आप देख सकते हैं. सो डेफिनेटली आप उसको प्रीव्यू कर लिए पहले ही कर लीजिए. और जो उसके बाद वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट जो है वो है कि आपका मीट्रिक्स. जैसे कि आपको बताया, सभी ने बताया, यू गेट एन ईमेल. बिसाइड्स दैट आपके बैक एंड पे यू हैव एवरी डे, यू कैन रादर एनी मिनट यू कैन डाउनलोड एन एक्सेल शीट ऑफ योर बूथ विजिट्स, जो कि आपको बताती है कि आपके बूथ में कौन कौन विजिट किया, विद कंप्लीट डिटेल्स लाइक कंपनी नेम, फोन नंबर, एवरीथिंग यू गेट फ्रॉम द बूथ विजिट्स, जो आपके लिए पॉइंट ऑफ कांटेक्ट रहता है, जो उसको यूज करना. बिसाइड्स दैट कौन कौन से बायर ने कब कब आपके कौन कौन से कैटलॉग पे विजिट किया वो भी आपको मिलता है, जिससे आपको उसका इंटरेस्ट लेवल पता चलता है कि उसको कौन से. दीज आर द थिंग्स जो आपको लेटर ऑन स्टेज पे उन क्वेरीज को, उन विजिट्स को कैश करने के लिए, इन कैश करने के लिए बहुत सारी यूजफुल होंगी. दिस इज अ वेरी यूजर फ्रेंडली प्लेटफॉर्म. बिल्कुल आपको जरा आप यूज करना शुरू करोगे, यू विल फाइंड इट वेरी स्मूथ. और जो है इसको आप जब तक आपको बूथ लॉगिन नहीं मिलता है, काइंडली प्रिपेयर योर मटेरियल वेल इन एडवांस. तब ताजु तो जब आपको बूथ लॉगिन मिले तो यू शुड नॉट बी एट दैट टाइम फाइंड के भी मेरे तो ये भी नहीं तैयार किया, मैंने ये तैयार नहीं किया. स्मॉल अपनी इंट्रोडक्शंस, easy to use words, do not use abbreviations anywhere. आप क्योंकि you don't know कि जब आपका ट्रांसलेशन हो आप your abbreviation may mean something different in that particular language. So always use the complete words. Do not use abbreviations anywhere. So इसलिए ना ही को आप chat language का use करें, because the other person may get a different meaning of that. So ये एक कुछ जो common errors की जो सर बात कर रहे थे, जो मैंने देखा है कि ये common errors हैं, ये इन चीजों का ध्यान रखिए. And I wish you all the good luck for the show. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Singh.
Rawat ji, can I just add one point?
Yeah, go ahead.
थैंक यू सिंह साहब, आपने बहुत बढ़िया पॉइंट उठाया. एंड जस्ट टू
थैंक यू मिस्टर जेपी सिंह. इनफैक्ट ही, आवाज आ रही है आपको?
हाँ जी.
रावत जी, एज ए मैटर ऑफ फैक्ट आप सब लोगों से मिस्टर जेपी सिंह का प्रॉपर इंट्रोडक्शन देना जरूरी है. मिस्टर जेपी सिंह वाज द अवार्ड विनर as a Ajay Shankar Memorial Award for the best booth. This time we had no best design booth. This was the best booth for the gold award under the jewelry section. और उसका criteria क्या है वो आपको जानकर बड़ी खुशी होगी. रावत जी, please share the criteria of the best booth, and I hope each one of you will try to achieve that to get the best first, second, third booth. Please, Ravat ji.
This time we gave away awards in 2 product categories. One was fashion jewelry and one was fashion accessories. 3 awards, gold, silver and bronze, were given in fashion jewelry, and 3 awards similarly were given in fashion accessories category. And as Mr. Kumar explained, Mr. Singh was the gold medal winner in fashion jewelry categories. Now the criteria which we have chosen for giving these awards included that optimization of the features, optimized utilization of the features of the virtual platform was one criteria. Creativity shown on displaying your product in the product panel. Marketing efforts that you have made to attract buyers to your platform. How many visitors have you entertained over the duration of the show, and the time spent on the booth, and the kind of information that you have displayed on the booth. So these are some of the criteria. I mean, see, in a virtual platform, there's a footprint. I mean, you cannot escape those footprints. So everything is available with us in the sense that how beautifully booth was done, and based on these criteria, awards were given this time, sir.
Yeah, please continue. Next, Kali.
Yeah. Now, thank you, Mr. Singh. Thank you very much. And now may I request our chairman, Mr. Ravi Pasi, who has been patiently hearing all this discussion. So I would request Mr. Pasi to briefly address us, and then we'll go for concluding remarks from Mr. R.K. Verma. Mr. Pasi.
Good evening, everybody. जैसे कि राकेश जी, नूपुर बत्रा जी एंड दिलीप जी और लाली जी, इन्होंने बहुत सारी डिटेल्स के अंदर वर्चुअल शो की जानकारी दी है, जो कि मैं रोज देखता हूँ मेरे फोन के ऊपर. रोज 3 या 4 राजस्थान से भी एग्जीबिटर या जो एक्सपोर्टर्स हैं उनके फोन्स आते हैं. वो कहते हैं जी वर्चुअल है क्या, ये क्या चीज़ है, इसको हम पार्टिसिपेट करें ना करें, क्योंकि खाली बैठे बैठे दिमाग खराब हो गया. जो उनकी लैंग्वेज होती है तो मैं उनको पूरी तरह से उसको समझाता हूँ कि भाई ये एक वर्चुअल शो है जो फिजिकली नहीं है, मगर आप अपने सैंपल्स, आप अपना जो काम है इसके ऊपर अच्छी तरह से कर सकते हैं. मगर इसके अंदर एक आपकी प्लस पॉइंट जो फोटोग्राफी है वो अच्छी होनी चाहिए, जैसे लाली जी ने भी अभी बताया और जेपी जी ने भी बताया. इस और कई कंपनीज ऐसी हैं जिसके अंदर कल मुझे एक फ़ोन आया था कोई मिडिल ईस्ट से फ़ोन आया कि मैंने उनको अपना वर्चुअल शो के बारे में थोड़ा सा लिखा था, तो कहने लगे यार ये वर्चुअल शो क्या दूसरी आइटम्स के अंदर भी हो सकता है. मैंने कहा बिल्कुल हो सकता है, क्यों नहीं. कहते हम तो बनिए हैं, बिजनेसमैन है, मतलब बनिए का मतलब बिजनेसमैन है, जो क्योंकि हमारे जो अभी एम्प्लॉयज़ हैं वो बाहर जाते हैं, प्लेन्स में जाते हैं, कोई बिजनेस क्लास ट्रैवल करता है, कोई कुछ करता है, तो हमारे खर्चे बढ़े आते हैं. मगर ये तो ऐसा है कि हम ऑफिस में, हमारा यूएस से भी ऑफिस है और कंट्रीज के अंदर है, तो वी कैन सेव ए लॉट ऑफ मनी ऑल्सो, और बड़ा फास्ट है, शरीर को भी तकलीफ नहीं होगी, हम यहीं पे एक्सरसाइज कर लेंगे, पैसे भी कमा लेंगे. मैंने कहा जी बिल्कुल. मुझे एक छोटी सी याद है कि मैंने महाभारत देखी थी बड़े साल पहले. महाभारत के अंदर धृतराष्ट्र के साथ एक आदमी बैठा था, संजोज, उसके नाम है संजयवाद. वो उसको ऑर्डर करता था कि तुम लड़ाई देखो कुरुक्षेत्र में क्या हो रहा है. तो मैं कहता था ये बंदा राइट हैंड के अपनी पता नहीं क्या चीज दिखाता है. उसके बाद उसको एक्सप्लेन करता है राजा को, श्री कृष्ण भगवान जी ने ये बोला और अर्जुन ने ये बोला, उधर से तीर आया, मगर आज मुझे ये समझ आती है कि 5000 साल पहले भी ये टेक्नोलॉजी थी, वर्चुअल थी, मगर उसको हमने कभी भी अपग्रेड नहीं किया। आज कोरोना आया है तो कोरोना पीरियड के अंदर ये चीज 5000 साल पहले वाली आज भी निकल के आ गई, और उसको हमें ये यूज करना चाहिए। और ये परमात्मा ने और ईपीसीएच टीम ने इसको अच्छी तरह से डेवलप किया है, और मैं होप करता हूँ, आशा करता हूँ कि हम आने वाले टाइम के अंदर ये फिजिकल भी लगेंगे और वर्चुअल फेयर भी लगेंगे, ताकि आप पूरा साल 365 दिन तक बिजी रहेंगे। थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू रवि जी, बहुत बढ़िया। लेकिन कोई भी हमारा आजकल इवेंट कंक्लूड नहीं हो रहा जिसमें लाली जी का एक अच्छा सा कोई शेयर ना आ जाए। तो लाली सानी जी, अगर आप हैं तो
प्लीज शेयर कीजिए। बिल्कुल लाली जी, शेयर कीजिए आप, बिल्कुल शेयर बोलिए आप।
मैं शेयर पे यही कहूंगा कि विजुअल मर्चेंडाइजिंग जिस पे हमारी गुफ्तगू चल रही थी कि इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, जो जेपी सिंह जी ने कहा मैं उसको शेयर पे लाके कंक्लूड करूंगा कि एक मूड बोर्ड बनाना जरूरी है। और गोरे जो हैं वो मूड बोर्ड पे चलते हैं, उनको पता होता है उन्होंने अगले सीजन में क्या लेना है, तो बहुत सारा सामान डालने की जरूरत नहीं है। एंड इफ यू वांट यू कैन गो टू द कॉलेजेस अराउंड यू, निफ्ट और एफडीडीआई बहुत है, वहां से किसी बच्चे को आप ले आएंगे, उसको एम्प्लॉयमेंट भी मिलेगी, क्योंकि उन्हें पता होता है कि अगर ये रगड़ बैग है तो इसमें कहाँ पे उनको रस्ट वाला दरवाजा ढूंढना है और टूटी सी दीवार पे खींचना है, बिकॉज एज दिस से ये दिखता है वही बिकता है। तो विजुअल मर्चेंडाइजिंग पे राकेश जी शेर अर्ज है कि कहते हैं कि शब्दों का चुनाव हमेशा गौर से कीजिए, तो इस पे तो मर्चेंडाइज हो गई। शब्दों का चुनाव बड़ा गौर से कीजिए, क्योंकि गुलाब को भी अगर सलीके से ना पेश किया जाए तो कांटे चुभ जाते हैं।
क्या बात है, क्या बात है, क्या बात
है। You don't need to make your booth a supermarket. Don't load everything. गोरों को पता है क्या लेना है। ट्रेंड को स्टडी कीजिए, चीजें ढूंढिए, और विजुअल मर्चेंडाइजर को बोलिए कि वो फोटो बढ़िया खींचे, क्योंकि उसी फोटो से बायर ने आपके साथ अपना पारिवारिक या व्यापारिक संबंध बनाना है। थैंक यू सो मच, गॉड ब्लेस यू, एंड थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर अलाउइंग मी टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ।
वर्मा जी से आप कंक्लूडिंग।
सर नमस्कार सभी को। ऑलरेडी मेरे ख्याल से बहुत डिटेल डिस्कशन हो गया है। आज तो इंटरेक्टिव सेशन था। तो अल्टीमेटली देखिए, जब फिजिकल पॉसिबल नहीं है तो वर्चुअली पॉसिबल है, और ये टेक्नोलॉजी को यूज करके मुझे लगता है सभी मेंबर्स को इसका बेनिफिट लेना चाहिए। आज की डेट में इतना हाईली सब्सिडाइज है, जो अभी किसने मेरे ख्याल से किसने कहा भी था कि शायद लाली जी ने कहा था कि एयरपोर्ट से वो ले लेते हैं। तो ऐसा इतना हाईली सब्सिडाइज है, क्योंकि मैं अगर देखता हूँ, कंपेयर करता था कभी एम्बियंटे और हांगकांग फेयर में पार्टिसिपेट जब हमारे मेंबर्स करते थे, $600 या $700 वो देते थे एज ए वर्चुअल या वेब प्रमोशन के लिए। सो ये आपकी बॉडी है, इतना हाईली सब्सिडाइज किया, तो आप इस चीज का टेक्नोलॉजी का फायदा उठाएं। और आज की डेट में एटलीस्ट जो सब जगह नेगेटिविटी है, उस स्पेस में भी आप पॉजिटिविटी करके बिजनेस का एक अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल रही है। तो आई रिक्वेस्ट यू काइंडली ज्वाइन। ईपीसीएच ऑलरेडी उसके लिए तैयार है। ईपीसीएच का इंडिविजुअल एक एम्प्लॉय आप सबके साथ हैंड होल्डिंग करेगा। और अभी कभी भी मेरे ख्याल से उससे पहले आपको इफ्जा के जो पार्टिसिपेंट है सबने शेयर किया कि इमीडिएटली कोई ना कोई उसका सोल्यूशन निकल के ईपीसीएच टीम और आईएमएल की टीम ज्वाइंटली उसको आपको लेके आपको लाइव करेगी और आपके लिए बिजनेस का सोल्यूशन लेके आएगी। सो वंस अगेन रिक्वेस्ट ऑल ऑफ यू काइंडली ज्वाइन and in case this opportunity join. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Now we have come to the end of the session. I would like to thank all the panelists who have joined us in this very one-to-one discussion which we have with over 250 exporters who have joined us from the state of Rajasthan. I would like to thank you once again for joining us. Thank you.
Thank you very much, everybody.
Thank you.
Thank you, panelists. Thank you all. Thank you all the panelists, and especially IFJA's players who have really worked very hard, and they are really guiding everybody. Thank you again.